Have you ever used Google Maps, Alexa, Siri, or even a robot that resembles the actions of humans, or a robot that can have the ability to read as smarter as humans, or learn from the past data? So that's AI in action. Hi everyone, I'm Saranya and welcome to my official YouTube channel. And my official YouTube channel handle name is saranyashankar.org, and you can get the link below, such as Get Motivated with Saranya. Today we are going to explain how AI is transforming every day in our life, from the apps we use in our phone to the future of jobs. Whether you are the beginner or just curious about it, let's get started. So, let me tell you what is AI in simple. AI is the ability of machines to learn, think, and make decisions just like we do, humans. So that if you ever wondered, guys, the machines can even learn or think or make decisions just like the humans. For example, we can take the science fiction movie such as Endiran, which was released in 2010. I am the biggest fan of science fiction, and I am in my life learning about more and more AI and ML related concepts. So I'm very passionate to you guys to teach what I have learned earlier and will be learning in the future. So this video is especially for the beginners or ones who have the curiosity about learning about the AI, the artificial intelligence that is now and beyond the future. So we are going to talk about the types of AI. I mean types of artificial intelligence. So there are two types in AI. So the first one is narrow AI, and the second one is general AI. So let me dive into the narrow AI. So the narrow AI it does a specific task like Siri, Alexa. Have you guys ever used the Siri or Alexa in your phone or lap or desktop, something like that? Yeah, Siri is a kind of narrow AI which provides us with the voice recognition and personal help, search tools, and smart home controller and navigator helper. So now we are going to talk about the features of Siri and the importance of Siri. So, roles Siri performs using AI is that it is a personal assistant. The personal assistant, in the sense, it sets alarms and sends messages and make calls. So, the second thing is it can also be used as a search tool. Answer questions using the query, using the internal information. And third is media controller. So it can play music, reduce the volume or decrease the volume, or changes the volume to according to a particular situation. And we can play the various modes, like whether we want to play the party song or pop, or the Hindustan classic or whatever type of music we want to play. We can ask the Siri. And the fourth one is smart home controller. Smart home control, in the sense like control smart home lights. Then in our mobile app we can access easily the remote controller for our AC. We can turn off the AC to our Siri. And voice recognition, understanding the commands, and navigation helper gives direction using the Apple Maps. So, what is Narrow AI? Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks like answering questions, playing music, or or turning on smart devices, but it doesn't understand or think beyond the programming functions. So next is general AI. General AI in the sense is a future goal human level thinking. I think it will surpass the level of the thinking of the humans, and it will surpass the thinking of beyond the level of human thinking and the ability to do the work. For example, YouTube recommends videos. So, whatever guys you watch on YouTube is easily recognizable by the AI. So, next time you want to have to type it again and again. So, for example, let me say a explanation clearly. So, in our YouTube, we are searching for what is AI or what is machine learning language, something like that. So as you can see, what is the command mentioned there? We can see the videos related to that. What is AI, types of AI, and who is the founder of AI, and who coined the term AI, something like that. So next thing is how AI is used in our daily life. It is very simple. It is used by phones like voice recognition, face unlock patterns such as zigzag, vertical, horizontal, or patterns on numerical numbers, passcode, something. Social media, like the feeds we make in our commands, like the filters, like before the advancement of AI came into the time, there was only one option to use as photo, and we couldn't use the option as such as edit. So with the help of AI, we can edit whatever type of photo we want. Whether we can whether we can use our BG color, background video, or background photo. Or for example, consider a situation like I'm sitting in my home today. Like if I want to make something, like I went to outside something, we can definitely change our background into a swimming pool or hotel, or a gaming station, something like that. So, with the help of AI, we can do whatever filters we want. We can retouch the image, like we can beautify the image, like we can add extra effects, gradient descent, and the something such as a candle effect, and yeah. And next one is shopping. Shopping in the sense it recommends the product to the consumers so that the consumers will buy the products in the ease. And maps, smart home device, like we guys said earlier, like it helps us with the navigation of maps and smart home devices, like such as turning on off AC, remote controller to our mobile phones through the Siri app. And a quick graphic or image suggestion shows icons or clips or apps such as ChatGPT, Google Maps, or Alexa. Like within one tab, we can get the app of ChatGPT, Google Maps, or Alexa in our mobile phone. And we will be wondering what are the pros and cons of AI. So the pros means the positive insights. It saves time. For example, instead we are writing a longer mathematical formula, or we want to solve the formula, but we didn't know how to get the answer, like how to solve the answer. Like we may use a calculator or something. So we can, or or we don't know the answers for the complex questions, so we can ask the chat gtp to help us with the same. So it saves our time. And the second thing is accuracy. For example, email. For example, we have received 100 mails at a time. So out of 100 messages, 95 messages have been accurately correct and not. So the role of AI in this accuracy in the sense is that it tells that whether the mail is fake or it is a junk mail or it is truly centered. So we must be aware next time. So it helps in education and healthcare. And the cons, cons means the negative reviews of AI can reduce jobs. As you know, many jobs are dependent on human work, but nowadays it is a future here. So the AI is here. So whatever we say, like AI cannot take our jobs, cannot replace our jobs. There are certain roles that can help the AI, that cannot overtake our jobs. For example, we are a doctor and we are engineering something, so the AI cannot take job something like that. And for example, I wanted to tell you guys that in the BPO section, where we need to enter the data in the Excel and perform multiple operations in the Excel. So uh, the thing is like doing the things within a given time. So for example, if we employ 10 employers to do such a work, so they may be having some other commitments, or they may be having some other working something like that. So the reason why AI may reduce jobs, for example, in the BPO sector, if we employ a single AI bot for some kind of amount, so it will do the work that cannot be done by the 10 persons in a time. So what it means, it decreases the level of employees, and more it will increase the chances of AI to overtake our jobs. So next is raises privacy concerns. And the third one is needs ethical control. Why does an AI needs an ethical control? Yeah, I have a slide on that too. First is privacy invasion. Second one is job loss. Third one, lack of accountability, misinformation and defects, autonomous weapons. So first one is lack of accountability. Who is responsible when a AI makes a mistake? Whether it is a mistake of AI or the founder or the company, who know who is responsible? And misinformation and defects. AI can be used to make fake videos and voices and autonomous weapons. In military may lead to make difficult decisions or unwanted decisions without a human control. So, as we guys know that we should rely on AI, but the thing is, we should be aware that how AI will affect our daily life in our job as well. So we must make sure that we should give importance to the AI as well as to ourselves. So we must not over rely on AI, but in some situations we can. For example, we cannot be highly dependent on AI to do that we can do. For example, a simple equation or advanced equation in mathematics can be solved by our human brains. So we cannot ask the chat GTP or AI devices to to tell help me with that or help me with this, like that. As far as we know, we can do on our own. It is okay if we don't know the answer, we can refer to the book, or we can simply use our brain to solve such problems. So this is what AI is about. And the conclusion part is AI is no longer science fiction. It is already shaping your world. What do you think, is AI helpful or dangerous? Comment below in my official YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. So, thank you guys. That's all for today. And if you like our video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find my link, Get Motivated with Saranya, and my official YouTube handle is saranyashankar.org. Your support will be our greatest contribution. Like and share. And if you want to grow in the YouTube means, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.